Welcome to Swift Home Finds. Let's stop wasting money on cheap household junk. We've analyzed brutal testing data to rank 20 completely independent, sponsor-free home and kitchen gadgets that genuinely upgrade your daily life. You'll find the best current deals linked in the description below. Whatever you do, don't leave early. Our final two picks feature a stunning pantry organization hack and the ultimate safety upgrade for your backyard campfires. Let's dive right in. Standard ice trays are frustrating to twist and create chunky shards that melt too fast, ruining your favorite drinks. This brilliant silicone mold system creates perfect, slow-melting ice spheres instead. Fill it to the line, snap the lid down, and freeze. The flexible bottom pops out flawless mini ice balls effortlessly. It even includes a hygienic storage bin and scoop. Slicing a massive summer melon is a sticky, dangerous nightmare that leaves juice dripping everywhere. This genius windmill-style slicer changes everything. Simply push the tool directly into the fruit, and the automatic blades carve out uniform, bite-sized cubes in seconds. It completely eliminates sticky messes, protects your fingers, and makes preparing fresh summer salads incredibly fast and highly satisfying. Suffering through a brutal summer heat wave without instant relief is miserable, but bulky battery-powered fans take up too much space. This ultra-compact, rechargeable cooling tool is a complete game-changer. It folds up to easily fit in your pocket and features safe silicone blades. Cleverly, it also doubles as an emergency flashlight and a portable power bank for your dying phone. Nothing ruins a relaxing dinner faster than annoying fruit flies buzzing around your kitchen. Smelly chemical sprays are toxic, and loud zappers are obnoxious. This sleek, modern trap solves the problem silently. It uses UV light to attract pests, a quiet fan to pull them inside, and a super sticky glue board to trap them forever without using any poison. Forcing an overflowing suitcase to close is stressful, and paying expensive airline baggage fees is even worse. This clever travel system instantly doubles your luggage space. Pack your clothes into the durable bags, attach the ultra-compact wireless rechargeable pump, and watch it suck all the excess air out. It compresses bulky winter coats completely flat, keeping everything perfectly organized. Store-bought juices are outrageously expensive and secretly packed with sugar. However, traditional juicing machines are loud, heat up ingredients, and take hours to clean. This slow masticating powerhouse changes everything. It crushes fruits and vegetables slowly, extracting maximum liquid while preserving vital nutrients. It runs whisper quiet, separates bitter foam automatically, and features a reverse function to prevent annoying clogging. Professional baking requires absolute precision, but dragging out a massive countertop scale for a tiny amount of yeast or salt is frustrating. This ingenious handheld gadget perfectly combines a measuring spoon with a high-precision digital scale. Scoop your ingredients, and the bright LCD screen instantly gives a flawless, down-to-the-gram reading. It takes the guesswork out of complex daily recipes. Getting off the couch for a cold drink during a movie is incredibly annoying, and cluttering your living room with charging cables ruins the aesthetic. This futuristic furniture piece solves everything. It features a built-in refrigerated drawer to keep snacks ice cold, premium Bluetooth speakers, ambient LED lighting, and wireless charging pads directly on the glass. The ultimate luxury upgrade. Sitting in a rigid chair for 8 hours destroys your posture and causes severe back pain. Manually cranking a heavy desk is exhausting. This brilliant ergonomic workstation transforms your home office. Push a single button and smooth, ultra-quiet dual motors lift your entire setup from sitting to standing in seconds. It even features smart memory presets for custom heights. Spending weekends sweeping pet hair and scrubbing sticky floors wastes your precious free time. Cheap automated cleaners just push dirt around. This advanced cleaning powerhouse completely takes over your chores. It delivers massive suction to pull dust from deep carpets, while dual spinning mop pads scrub hard floors until they shine. It even returns to its base to wash itself. Stepping out of the shower onto a soggy, foul-smelling fabric rug is a terrible feeling. Traditional mats stay wet for hours, becoming a breeding ground for bacteria. This ultra-modern stone mat fixes the problem instantly. Made from natural diatomaceous earth, it immediately absorbs water right off your feet. It stays completely odor-free, requires zero machine washing, and looks incredibly sleek. Forgetting to take chicken out of the freezer for dinner is a classic daily struggle. Using the microwave to thaw meat ruins the texture, making it rubbery. This incredible kitchen plate solves the problem without using electricity. Forged from high-density aerospace aluminum, it actively draws the cold out of frozen steaks, thawing them safely in half the time, while preserving flavor. Dragging a massive, heavy shop vacuum out of the garage to clean a spilled bowl of cereal is incredibly frustrating. This ultra-lightweight, cordless powerhouse handles the toughest messes in seconds. It delivers massive suction to pick up dry dirt, pet hair, and even wet liquid spills without damaging the motor. It provides complete cleaning freedom without searching for wall outlets. Surviving scorching summer days when stuck outside is absolutely miserable. Cheap plastic fans barely produce a breeze and usually break quickly. This sleek, ultra-powerful turbo device is built differently. Using an advanced brushless motor inspired by jet engines, it blasts an incredibly strong, icy column of air. With a massive rechargeable battery, it delivers hours of intense outdoor heat relief. Freezing during a camping trip because your gear is too thin completely ruins the outdoor experience. However, packing thick blankets takes up way too much room in your trunk. This brilliantly designed bag keeps you incredibly warm and comfortable in chilly weather without the massive bulk. It features a waterproof exterior and rolls up effortlessly into a tiny compression sack. Trying to read in bed while your partner is sleeping always causes an annoying argument. Clipping a heavy, awkward flashlight to your paperback strains your hands. This lightweight, flexible reading tool securely clips to your book without leaving marks. It features adjustable color temperatures to protect your eyes from harsh blue light, giving you the perfect private late-night glow. Slipping on a wet, dangerous bathroom floor after a shower is a major safety hazard. Thin mats slide around constantly and never actually dry your feet properly. This ultra-plush chenille rug transforms your bathroom. Thick microfiber noodles absorb dripping water instantly, keeping floors completely dry. A heavy-duty texturized rubber backing absolutely grips the tile, preventing any terrifying accidental slips. Cuddling your furry best friend is great, but walking around with clothes completely covered in shedding hair is embarrassing. Sticky lint rollers run out of tape fast and cost a fortune. This reusable electrostatic glove removes the mess instantly. Swipe your hand over couches or car seats, and the specialized fabric naturally grabs every stray hair like a powerful magnet. Opening your pantry to find stale cereal and ripped cardboard boxes wastes your hard-earned grocery money. This premium organization set completely revamps your kitchen shelves. These crystal-clear, shatter-proof canisters feature side-locking lids with thick silicone gaskets to create an absolute airtight seal. They keep your pasta and snacks perfectly fresh for months, ending daily clutter and looking professionally organized. Roasting marshmallows over a blazing backyard fire pit using a short, dirty tree branch usually results in burnt fingers and drop desserts. This brilliant set of telescoping roasting forks upgrades your family bonfire nights instantly. They easily extend out to 32 inches, keeping kids a totally safe distance from the dangerous flames. They securely hold heavy sausages and retract for storage. There you have it, 20 brilliant upgrades to simplify your life. I've linked the exact models and best deals in the description below. Using those links keeps this channel totally independent. Please hit subscribe and leave a thumbs up. This is Swift Home Finds. Smart research, swift decisions. Your home simplified. See you in the next one.